Oscar, we need the scissors, bud. We need the scissors. Scissors. Oscar! Hey, bud, Oscar, hey. Whoa, Oscar. Did you buy a 675 LT, bud? What is that doing here? Whoa. Dude, where are the keys? Keys. Keys. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. If you did not see the last video, the Supra has been wrapped satin vampire red. This color just absolutely glistens under the Utah sun. Clayton Faith Summit Auto Lab could not have done a better job on this car. And we have that box sitting in the garage. Girth Nation, well, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. We have ordered the Widebody kit for this car, and we're going to be cutting it up soon. However, that 675 LT sitting in the garage, it's not mine, unfortunately. This is a cold startup on a 675 LT. I'm just kidding, that's a cold startup on the Wernberg. God bless Lamborghini and God bless the people. Oscar! Bud, we gotta go. Up the stairs. Oscar, don't try this at home. This is a technical technique.
This guy, right here, I got a bad angle for you guys, I'm sorry. But trying to get on the roof. If he falls, we're gonna get good footage.
Hey,
He didn't fall.
yo, bro, don't do me like that. Don't ever try this at home if you're watching this. This is extremely steep, but... Okay.
This is what happens when,
Whoa.
safety trumps.
That's sick, though. He's still talking.
I'm coming away.
Dude, we're just out here chasing views on views. This is sick. Well, I mean, other than the man in the red shirt, he's kind of ruining the vlog, waving very awkwardly.
Go Niners.
That is, dude, he doesn't even know a player on the Niners. Enjoy this view of the 5 cars because I'm probably gonna fall and die and this is the end of the vlog. Okay, so it's a lot scarier going down than it is up. Oscar, it's gonna be okay, bud. Whoa, just tuck and roll. Just tuck, you got me though, bro, right? You catch me? Just cradle me like a baby. He dropped the last baby he held, so it's probably not gonna work. It's so fast. This 675 LT is so quick. I need this car in my life, but unfortunately, we have to return it, boys. Imagine being the Salt Lake County Sheriff and getting a minivan. A minivan, like, come on, bro. You couldn't have got a Crown Vic. This last acceleration is for the sheriff who charged the minivan. No! We got some good wheel spin and we've arrived back here to Specialized. Unfortunately, we have to return the 675 LT. One last shout out to Specialized. Remember, if you're interested in this car, tell them I sent you. You'll get the homie hookup, $245, link in the description below. Unfortunately, we are saying bye to this car. The Focus is over there. Oh, it's 675 LT Spider. This is so sick. All right, we are headed home. It is this man's world and we are just living in it. Hey, respect. The satin vampire red looks so good, but the Supra needs more girth. Yes, girth. We have finally reached the portion in the vlog. The anticipation has been killing me. It's time to open, boys. Supra full kit number one. This is not the first Pandem kit in the world, but it says that it is, so yeah. Oh, whoa. Yes. Here we go. Do not drop this. Do not drop. Oh, there we go. I think it was like 2 vlogs ago I said that I was going to wait to get the Widebody kit until after SEMA, and then I changed my mind and I couldn't wait, and so I just bought one, and well, here it is. This is the rear driver quarter panel. Yeah, rear driver quarter panel. We have the Pandem Rocket Bunny V1 kit right here. So I actually like the V1.5 kit better. I'm gonna put a picture of that wing right here. This is the wing that I didn't like as much, but this kit I ordered on Wednesday and I got it on Monday. The other kit is not actually in stock, so we'd be like months and months and months out, I think. I'm not really sure, but this is the kit we went with. Don't worry, I have a plan, because this wing as it stands right now is actually not my favorite, but I have a plan, don't worry. Side skirts right there, front fender, not sure. Rear fender, front splitter, front fender, and then that massive rear wing. So I don't actually know who's gonna install the kit quite yet. And yes, Clayton just wrapped the Supra, and we're now gonna have to cut it. So sort of like an unplanned sequence in the vlog. Clayton started wrapping this kit last Monday, and I ordered this kit last Wednesday, and I didn't know I was gonna do that. So, not the best planning on my part. That's my bad, that's my bad. This is the passenger side skirt. You can see these 5 holes right here. That's for LED lights, and it's gonna fit in kind of like that. Now I need to figure out air ride for the Supra. Haven't figured that out yet, and I also need to get a set of wheels for this wide body kit. That is gonna look so sick. Dude, I'm so excited to get this kit installed. I have a meeting tomorrow with a company locally here in Utah. I think they might be doing the install. Oh my goodness, this build is gonna turn out so cool. Oh. So SEMA just contacted me last Friday. I think the Supra is gonna be on display at SEMA, as well as the Aventador and the Gladiator. So I might have 3 cars on display at SEMA. And it sounds like the Supra might be like front and center, like in the entrance of the Grand Hall, which would be so sick. Okay, this is the rear passenger fender. You see the cutout there for the gas cap. Just look how wide that's gonna be. So this is gonna fit on, let me put the camera down. This piece is gonna kind of fit in. Whoa, dude. That's gonna be insane. Whoa. Okay, so you guys need to move from there. That is insane right there. Whoa. Like I was saying, Clayton wrapped a bunch of parts that we're gonna cut, and yeah, sorry Clayton. This is one of the front fender pieces, and it's gonna fit in kind of like that. So I need to order a set of wheels. Have not ordered those yet. I should have done that a long time ago, but obviously the offset with the wide body kit, I'm gonna have to adjust for that. So I need to find wheels ASAP. I can hear a V8 GT350. Hey, yo, bro. Yo, hey, who does this guy think he is? Like, bro.
You know.
Dude, are you kidding me?
I need to get this on camera.
No, I need to get this on camera for my vlog. No, what are you doing? You're in the way.
I come home.
Right. How was work?
That's my spot.
No, I got the wide body kit though. I got the wide body kit.
So what do I need to do? I need to say, okay, you know what? You're gonna block me. I'm gonna block you. Bam.
Dude, I got the wide body kit. It doesn't matter.
It's like a nice camera.
It's like I dropped the baby.
No, so. I know. That's kind of what I was telling my viewers that earlier actually today.
Oh, killer shot. Check it out.
So, like.
Yep, here we go.
Dude, I might owe you a shout out. Like, the commitment level that you are displaying right now is off the charts.
Oh, really? Wait, so before you pick it up, click the link.
No, there's no link. There might be a link. As long as you don't drop the camera like you dropped the baby.
Dude, I'm committing to this camera work right here.
This wing is massive.
Have you showed him yet this perspective?
No.
Oh,
this is like, whoa. That's gonna be insane. So I actually have a special plan for this wing. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's almost, dare I say, too big.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Like, look at this thing. Come around the back.
Okay.
This thing is massive. That is so big. I really like the Mark IV wing, so what I'm kind of tentatively thinking is rock this for a while, but then eventually kind of do a little slice and dice right here and get a custom, like St. Louis Archwing build. We'll see.
How much does it weigh? Is it pretty light?
Yeah, it's just fiberglass. It's like 10 pounds, honestly, 15 pounds maybe.
Really? I mean, it looked like you were struggling a lot more than that, so.
Bro. Dude, I've been working out. I've been trying to get in shape.
That's why I thought it was like 80 pounds the way you know, but all right.
Dude, just go back to work. We didn't crash. We definitely did not crash. This satin vampire red looks so good. And yes, I realized in the last vlog I said so good like 19 times, but it looks so good. It's the right color. We made the right choice, boys. So the Pandem Rocket Bunny kit, so Pandem Rocket Bunny, that is one and the same. Like, it's the same company. I'm not really sure why they have two different names. Anyways, all these pieces are fiberglass, and so when we do install the kit, we're gonna be wrapping each piece satin vampire red to match, and then someday when I unwrap this car, which is not happening anytime soon, but someday when I do unwrap, we'll have to get all these pieces painted black to match the actual Supra paint underneath the vinyl. We got a bunch of stuff to do before SEMA, which is in about 55 days. It's the first week of November. So we need to install the Pandem Rocket Bunny kit. We need to get new wheels. We need to get air ride, ski box. Sorry, wait, what? Wait, whoa, bro. I just let on a secret that I wasn't supposed to. Downpipes, exhaust, light, no, there will be no light bar, I'm just kidding. So yeah, we got a bunch to do. We got 55 days before SEMA. We also need to build the 6x6 Gladiator in time for that. From a scheduling standpoint, we have a lot to do, and then also the house build is gonna start here really soon. Tomorrow, guys, Sam Seen Through Glass is coming all the way from London. That's right, London, the United Kingdom, to come film the card collection. I'm very excited for that. That's coming in the next vlog. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.